Hi everyone. If your office chair feels fine for the first 10 minutes, but your back starts negotiating with you after an hour, this is the kind of chair that makes you rethink what comfortable actually means. Today I'm talking about the GABRYLLY Ergonomic Office Chair, and I want to walk through what it's actually like to use day after day, not just how it looks sitting in a room. Visually, this chair has a very clean, modern look. It has that open mesh design across the seat, back, and headrest, so it doesn't look bulky like a big executive chair or a gaming chair with heavy cushions everywhere. The black and silver style looks sleek, and there's also a wood style version that blends really nicely if your setup has more of a warm desk or wooden furniture look. It feels more like a proper office chair than something trying too hard to look flashy. Assembly was one of the first things that stood out to me. The chair came packed neatly, and the parts were easy to identify. The instructions were simple enough to follow, and the screws and pieces lined up well. I've put together enough furniture to know when something feels poorly thought out, and this did not feel like that. The hardware was organized clearly, and the whole process felt straightforward. That said, attaching the seat to the back is one of those steps where a second pair of hands can help. It's manageable alone if you take your time, but having someone hold things in place would make it easier. On one setup, I also had to be careful not to over-tighten an armrest, because it didn't lift as smoothly at first. Once I loosened it and reinstalled it properly, it worked fine. The mesh is really the main thing that gives this chair its personality. Instead of sitting on thick foam that traps heat, the seat and back have a breathable mesh surface. During long work sessions, that airflow makes a real difference. It stays cooler, especially in warmer months, and it doesn't have that sweaty feeling some padded chairs get after a few hours. The seat itself surprised me. I didn't expect a mesh seat to feel as supportive as it does, but it has enough tension that it doesn't feel like you're sinking through it. It's supportive without feeling hard. I can sit in it for hours for work, gaming, or just being at the desk, and it doesn't create that heavy pressure under the legs or hips the way some chairs do. For posture, this chair definitely feels different if you're coming from a big executive-style chair or a soft gaming chair. Those chairs can feel comfy at first, but they often let you slouch without realizing it. This one encourages a more upright position. There can be a short adjustment period if your posture has been bad for a while, but once you get used to it, it feels much better for desk work. The mesh back supports you without feeling like a wall behind you, and if you use the additional lumbar pillow, it gives firmer lower back support that holds up well during longer sitting sessions. It doesn't feel like a flat cushion that disappears after an hour. It keeps your lower back more engaged and supported. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. The adjustability is another reason I like this chair. The headrest can move up and down and angle forward or back. So if you actually use a headrest, you can position it in a way that supports your neck instead of just being decoration. Personally, I don't always lean into the headrest, but it's nice to have it there when reclining or taking a short break. The armrests are useful because they can move up and out of the way. That's great if you want to slide closer to the desk, sit cross-legged, or just get the arms out of the way when you don't need them. They also adjust in height, which helps line them up with the desk. I really like that feature for reducing shoulder strain. There are a couple of small armrest complaints though. I do wish they could move side to side, because that would make the fit even more personalized. They can also feel a little firm if you rest your elbows on them for long periods. And depending on your desk height and body size, you may wish they could sit just a bit lower. Not a deal breaker for me, but worth knowing. The recline works smoothly, and it's nice being able to lean back without the chair feeling unstable. It can recline back from an upright position, and the locking positions are simple to use. This is not what I'd call a soft lounge chair, but for a work chair, it's comfortable enough that leaning back for a break feels natural. In terms of size, the chair seems especially good for average to taller users. At around 6 feet tall, the seat feels roomy, with enough width and depth to sit comfortably. Taller users around 6'1" or 6'3" seem to fit well, and there's even a longer cylinder option if extra seat height is needed for a taller desk setup. For shorter users, this is where I'd be a little more careful. Around 5'4" seems to be close to the lower end of who this chair fits comfortably. If you're shorter than that, your feet may not sit flat on the floor with the chair all the way down. So if you're petite, I'd pay close attention to the fit before buying. I also like that the newer setup has different seat mounting holes for different height ranges, with small, medium, and large positioning. That makes the chair feel more thoughtfully designed, because seat depth can make a big difference in comfort. If the seat is too far forward or too far back for your body, even a nice chair can feel awkward. Build quality feels solid. The chair doesn't feel wobbly, and the frame has a sturdy feel without being ridiculously heavy. Even with heavier use, it stays quiet, with no annoying creaks or squeaks. That's something I really appreciate, because nothing makes a chair feel cheap faster than constant noise every time you shift your weight. The wheels are another area where the experience can be improved. The standard wheels work, but rollerblade-style wheels make the chair glide much more smoothly and quietly. They're especially nice on carpet, wood, LVP, or tile flooring, and they help reduce the worry of scratching or marking the floor. With those wheels, the chair moves almost silently. Long-term durability seems like one of the most reassuring parts of this chair. After daily use over years, the mesh and structure can still hold up well. And even when a part like a reclining or height adjustment mechanism eventually has an issue after years of use, it's good to know replacement parts can keep the chair going instead of having to replace the whole thing. Customer support also seems like a real strength here. Getting help with a gas lift, a replacement mechanism, a lumbar pillow, or even an extended gas lift makes the ownership experience feel better. A chair is something you use every day, so it matters when the company actually helps with parts and support instead of leaving you stuck. One small seasonal note, because the mesh is so breathable, it's great in summer, but in winter, it can feel a little cool on your back. A blanket over the chair solves that easily, but it's something to keep in mind if your room gets chilly. Overall, the GABRYLLY Ergonomic office chair feels like a very solid choice if you spend long hours at a desk and want something breathable, supportive, and clean-looking. It's not perfect. The armrest could be softer and more adjustable. Shorter users may want to be cautious, and assembly is easier with help. But the comfort, posture support, sturdy build, quiet use, and mesh design make it feel genuinely worth considering. If you want a chair that feels supportive for work rather than just soft for the first few minutes, this one does a lot right. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below.